Introducing EVO X Tech, the high-performance laser welder for impeccable welds. The innovative soft spot technology ensures clean and spatter-free welds across various types of metal, thanks to a uniform and adjustable shot that allows an even distribution of metal. The result is a smooth and porosity-free surface, ensuring quality and consistency throughout the process. The newly designed cooling system allows for continuous duty cycle without machine downtime and ensures high performance under any environmental conditions, even in high humidity environments with elevated temperatures. The control of internal temperature preserves the electronics, ensuring reliability and long-term durability. EVO X Tech comes with a smart foot switch, allowing parameters to change by varying the pressure on the pedal. Elevate your standards with EVO X Tech. Make the mark.